Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. The moon is pale on London stone, a crimson bloom where seeds were sown. The chapel hums, the air turns still, the garden bends to Mary's will.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary,
How does your garden grow?
with silver bells that softly toll,
And shadows down below. The pretty maids all in a row. They whisper as they lie.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary,
Who taught your flowers to cry? The walls remember hymns of flame, the earth still trembles at her name.
petals fall where prayers once rose,
The scent of ashes haunts the rose.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary,
How does your garden grow?
with silver bells and cockle shells,
Where silent water flows. The pretty maids all in a row, slaying softly, faint and low.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary,
Your garden blooms below.
bells for mercy, shells for sin, roots entwine the hearts within.
Every rose recalls her rain, every tear becomes the